Hi Jeepers! Finding perfect side steps for your Jeep can be challenging. In this video we try to show pros and cons of different shapes, materials, installation types and brands. Find out which rock sliders are better off-road or which running boards are better for paved roads. Get tips on getting the right fit and styling for your Wrangler or Gladiator. And hit subscribe button for more content. Calling all lifted Jeep drivers. Is scaling your beast blindsided, leaving you bent out of shape? Never fear, JROAD's bolt-on side steps are here to lift you into that cabin with ease. No more awkward clambering and scrambling. Crafted for sturdy strength, textured steel construction can withstand any wild ride. Up to 300 pounds of force is no match for their hardened hide. Thanks to genius no-cut design, installation takes mere minutes with basic tools. Then drive on knowing non-slip steps keep you sure-footed through rain, mud or sand. Trusty truck steps get everyone into lifted Jeep safely. Stop fearing your own vehicle and start driving carefree. With JROAD Side Steps, Beast is now conquered by you. Your trusty Jeep's towering over terrain but you're struggling to summit inside? Anti-slip off-road running boards OEDRO's on to heave even heaviest up into that lifted rig with ease. No more scaling that Beast blindsided, step on up in style. With leafy lines that contour cranny-free, manufactured with might to withstand any wild ride, 550 pounds of force no match for its hardened hide. Bolting on with the breeze thanks to genius no-cut design, durable powder coat that laughs at corrosion and grime. Climb into your cab confident, sure-footed, no slip-ups on steps safer than Mother Nature's mountainside. Take on terrain towering with true off-road satisfaction. Ever felt like your Jeep was trying to play hide and seek every time you needed to hop in? Crafted from sturdy 1.5 inches diameter x 0.06 inches thick steel tubing, U-box steps, providing both side and undercarriage protection. Diamond-shaped particle pads and stainless steel plates provide enhanced stability and add a touch of elegance to your rugged ride. Installation? It's bolt-on affair, complete with detailed guide. Just follow steps, and voila! Your Wrangler is now equipped with a heavy-duty solution for easy entry and exit. U-Box JLU Unlimited Running Board is here to turn your Jeep into star of off-road world, one stylish step at a time. Calling all lifted Jeep drivers. Is scaling your beast blindsided, leaving you bent out of shape? Tax Sidewinders to lift you into that cabin with ease. Burly bowling pin steps mount on your 2018 to 2024 Wrangler JL securely, ready to help even the heaviest driver summit that lifted rig with breeze. Formed from heavy-duty carbon steel and coated 360 degrees against corrosion, can withstand any wild ride. 5-inch wide steps were made for off-roading. Thanks to ingenious cut-free design, installation with basic tools only takes about 2 hours for one person. Agree that this is not much for such an improvement. Just bolt them on and start stepping up and in with confidence once more. Whether elderly, pregnant, petite or large in charge, Tax Side Steps help anyone saddle up into your lifted stallion using a secure foothold. Do you find yourself gasping and bending over when climbing your beast? Let AMP automate ascent and have your rig give you an effortless boost with PowerStepXL. Brilliant powered running boards listen for your door's invite, then automatically extend to help even heaviest driver summit lifted beast with ease. No more awkward clambering and scrambling, step up in electric style. Step surfaces a full 13 inches down provide a stable base to lift off from. Integrated LED lights illuminate entry when darkness falls. Once inside, powered steps sense closure and silently tuck themselves out of sight, improving ground clearance and appearance until summoned once more. Whether elderly, pregnant, petite or large in charge, PowerStepXL lend a helping hand for easy access. Conquer towering climb and drive carefree in your raised rig. Do worry about scrapes and scratches on vulnerable rocker panels? SMANOW's rugged drop-down running boards make getting into your Jeep Wrangler. Crafted from textured black powder-coated steel, can handle over 350 pounds per step. Tread design gives sure footing, making them safe for kids and pets too. Best of all, no drilling or mods needed. Utilize existing mount points for simple, no-fuss installation. Whether cruising downtown or conquering trails, you'll appreciate convenience and confidence. No more scaling sidewall or fouling your clothes just to take your rig out for spin. Have you grown weary of bland factory running boards on your trusty 4-door Wrangler? Wish you could add some rugged style while making entry breeze for all passengers? Crafted with textured, anti-slip black powder-coated steel, rotor running boards offer both durable protection and easier access to 2018 to 2023 Jeep JL Unlimited. Uniquely curved side bars shield vulnerable undersides from nasty scrapes, while integrated end caps provide seamless OEM styling. Simple 1-2-3 numbered brackets enable convenient no-drill installation using factory mounts. Both off-road adventure and urban expeditions get easier with trusted quality that lasts year after year. Well, let your rocky relationship woes disappear with U-Box's convenient Wrangler JLU running boards. One-piece black powder-coated steel bars offer stable stepping with gritty anti-slip pads. Hollowed logos add off-road flair, while integrated end caps provide seamless OEM styling. Up to 350 pounds of friend, foes or furry beasts can ride in style with U-Box. Install hassle-free with simple bolts to factory holes. Ditch rusty bars making entry headache. U-Box's bolt-on side steps are here to lift you into unlimited cabin with ease. Star logo running boards contour cranny free to help even heaviest drivers summit that lifted rig with a breeze. Precision welded from stout steel tubing, steps can withstand any wild ride. Textured non-slip pads keep your footing sure-footed through rain, mud or sand. Thanks to genius no-cut design, installation takes mere minutes with basic tools. Just bolt them on. Well, suffer no more, my friend, with U-Box's convenient Nerf bar steps. Crafted of durable steel and topped with gritty anti-slip pads, convenient side steps ease entry and exit for entire crew. Hollowed lettering adds a touch of class, while sturdy steel construction brace against brush on most rugged terrain. Pre-aligned mounts directly attach to factory holes for no-drill installation. Start enjoying your beloved trail machine all over again. Links to all products from video are provided below. Please subscribe for more videos.